Ever signed up for a gym membership with the best intentions, only to find yourself perpetually dodging free smoothie samples to avoid that treadmill you haven't touched in months? We've all been there. Life gets busy, routines change, and suddenly that once enthusiastic gym-goer is facing a recurring charge that feels more like a punishment than a path to fitness. But what if there was a way out? A knight in shining financial armor to slay the dragon of unwanted gym memberships? That's where financial management apps like Rocket Money come in. They promise to simplify your finances, but can they extend that control to the realm of gym memberships? Buckle up, fitness enthusiasts or former enthusiasts, because we're about to dive into whether Rocket Money can truly help you cancel that unwanted gym membership. Understanding Rocket Money's services. Before we explore the gym-specific question, let's take a quick step back and understand what Rocket Money actually does. In essence, it's a financial management app that aims to give you a centralized hub for your finances. You connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and potentially other financial services to Rocket Money, and it provides a consolidated view of your income, expenses, and overall financial health. Think of it as a financial dashboard. You can see where your money is going, categorize transactions, and even set up budgets to stay on track. But here's the key feature for our gym membership escape plan: bill negotiation. The power of negotiation. Rocket Money boasts a team of negotiators who, on your behalf, can contact various service providers, think cable companies, internet providers, and yes, even gyms, to try and negotiate a lower rate or, in our case, a cancellation. This sounds fantastic, right? No more awkward phone calls with retention specialists trying to guilt you back into a membership. Rocket Money swoops in, wields the power of negotiation, and frees you from your gym purgatory. So, can Rocket Money cancel your gym membership? Here's the not-so-simple answer: it depends. While Rocket Money can attempt to negotiate on your behalf, canceling a gym membership is ultimately at the discretion of the gym itself. Most gyms have specific cancellation policies outlined in their contracts, and Rocket Money's negotiators can't magically rewrite those. However, there are a few scenarios where Rocket Money's intervention might be helpful. Expiring contract. If your gym membership is nearing its end date, Rocket Money might be able to negotiate a smoother cancellation process, ensuring you aren't automatically renewed. Undue charges. If you suspect you've been unfairly charged hidden fees or penalties, Rocket Money can advocate for their removal and potentially use that leverage to negotiate a cancellation. Moving or injury. Some gyms might be more flexible with cancellations if you can demonstrate a genuine hardship, like moving to a new location or sustaining an injury that prevents gym use. Rocket Money can help gather documentation and present your case to the gym. The limitations of Rocket Money's negotiation. It's important to be realistic about Rocket Money's capabilities. Here are some things to keep in mind. No guarantees. There's no guarantee Rocket Money's negotiation will lead to a successful cancellation. Gyms might be unwilling to budge, especially if you're still within a contract term. Time commitment. The negotiation process can take time. Rocket Money will need to gather information, contact the gym, and potentially go back and forth before reaching a resolution. Success fees. Rocket Money charges a fee for its services, typically a percentage of the savings they negotiate on your behalf. So, for a gym membership cancellation, there might not be a direct financial benefit, but rather the convenience of avoiding the hassle. Alternative strategies for gym membership cancellation. If Rocket Money isn't the perfect fit, here are some alternative approaches to consider. Review your contract. First things first, understand your contract's cancellation terms. This will give you a clear picture of your rights and any potential fees associated with canceling. Contact the gym directly. Don't be afraid to call the gym and speak to their customer service department. Be polite, explain your situation, and see if they can accommodate your request. Freeze your membership temporarily. If complete cancellation isn't an option, consider a temporary freeze on your membership. This can buy you some time and prevent further charges while you reevaluate your fitness goals. The takeaway: it's all about options. While Rocket Money might not be a silver bullet for canceling unwanted gym memberships, it can be a helpful tool in your financial management arsenal. Understanding their services, along with alternative strategies,